Welcome to page 4, Finding the Part. Today we're going to be finding the part called the sale price. For each one of these problems, you're going to use a tape diagram to represent the information in the problem, and you're going to be using the formula R times T equals P to find the part that we're looking for. And in this case, the part is going to be the sale price part. Let's start with our very first problem. An item is discounted 15%. That's a rate. The original cost is $45. That's, of course, a total. Find the sale price. Well, our entire bar represents the cost of the item. So in dollars, the total cost is $45. That's our T, total. As far as a percent goes, it's 100% of the cost. In dollars, 45. In terms of a percentage, 100%. But since the item is on sale, there's a part that we will not have to pay, and we get to keep it in our pocket. It is called the savings part of the bar. And then there's a part that we're going to have to spend. That is called the sale price part of the bar. That's the amount we owe the store. Well, the 15% discount rate, that represents the amount you get to save. And as we convert that to a decimal, we see it's 15 hundredths, or 15 cents of every original dollar. As far as the sale price goes, we know that that's a percentage rate too. Well, think about it. If the entire bar is 100% and now 15% has been assigned to this part of the bar, if we take 100% minus 15%, we're left over with 85%. That's the percentage that is associated with the sale price part of the bar. And as we convert that to a decimal, that decimal rate, 85 hundredths, means that we owe the store 85 cents of every original dollar. That's the rate for the sale price part of the bar. And over here, the 15% is the rate for the savings part of the bar. Now think about it. We've been asked to find the sale price. So, some of that $45 will be saved and is represented in the savings part of the bar. But over here, some of that $45 is the sale price, and that's what we're interested in. So in our formula, we're going to use the rate of 85 hundredths and the total of 45. We choose the 85 hundredths because that's the rate associated with the sale price part of the bar. Let's begin. 0.85 times $45. Take a moment and punch that into your calculator. You should have gotten a sale price of $38.25. That's the amount you owe the store for the item you're purchasing on sale. Let's continue on and take a look at the remaining problems. You will have to complete problems 7, 8, 9, and 10. For each one of these, you're going to be sketching a tape diagram and labeling it with all the important information. And then, after you determine your rate and your total for the sale price, you're going to use the formula to calculate the part. Make sure you show your 3 steps. Let's set up this information in this tape diagram, and then you will continue along on your own. In this particular problem, it states, an item is discounted 35%. The original cost is $172. Find the sale price. Well, let's start with the overall total of $172. That's 100%. Now remember, as we cut this bar into parts, there's the part known as savings, and the other part is known as your sale price part of the bar. The 35% discount rate is associated with the savings part of the bar, or scoop, 0.35. 35 cents on every dollar is going to be saved. Well, remember, that's out of 100%. If we take 100% and subtract that 35%, we get 65% left over for the sale price part of the bar. Or, scoop, we have to spend at a rate of 65 cents of every original dollar. So, since it's the sale price that we're after, we're going to use that rate. 0.65 is our rate times $172. Finish out this problem and complete the rest of the problems on this page. This concludes page 4.